Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto E6i, and let me share with you how to change the date and time on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's find the date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are currently inactive, so we cannot change them manually. It is because we are using the automatic option, the network provided time and the time zone. So first of all, we have to turn off both of those options just by tapping on those switchers, and then simply tap on the date, and from this calendar we can pick the date we want to use, for example this one. The same situation with the time, we can set it with the usage of this clock, tap on OK, and it will be immediately applied to the status bar. We can also check or change the time zone, just tap on it, and here we've got the list of available regions from which we can choose, so simply find yours and tap on it. Let me pick this one. Here you've got more options to choose from, so for example this one, and it will be immediately applied, but of course beware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here we've got the time format, we can customize it manually, so let's first of all turn off this option, and currently, alright, let me go back, and currently we've got the 12-hour format. In order to use 24-hour one, we have to tap on this option, activate it, and it will be immediately applied. Of course, you can go back to all previous settings, so the automatic options, just by tapping on those switchers. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.